Oh, okay. This is called the horned Kiwano right here. Definitely rough on the outside. Okay, slicing easy. Looking juicy. Slice of the horned Kiwano. Kind of looks like a kiwi with a papaya mix, you know, the orange papaya, I guess, and the seeds inside, they kind of remind me of papaya seeds. Very interesting texture. I would say it tastes kind of like a kiwi, but the texture is very, like, different. I did not expect this at all. All right, we got the corned Kiwano. It's cut up here. I really didn't expect the inside to look like this. A whole bunch of like jelly, you can see, with some seeds inside. Started eating it. It's kind of like an orange when you don't eat the orange, but you just like suck the juice out of the orange and it leaves all like the pulp behind. Tastes kind of like a kiwi. Oh, nah, I took a bite of the pulp or whatever. Tastes okay. Not sure how I feel about it. It's growing on me a little bit. It's definitely interesting. Probably would not purchase again, but I had to try for the one time. You know, it's looking like a crazy fruit. Very juicy. That's a very interesting experience. If you get a chance, try the horned Kiwano.